Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip camera on Monkey app. Let's begin. So first thing that you need to do is you need to open up the Monkey app. Before anything else, ensure that the Monkey app has been successfully downloaded onto your mobile phone device from either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple Store for iOS users. Then the second step is to log in or sign up. After completing step 1, open the Monkey app. You can choose between logging into an existing account or creating a new one. Alternatively, sign up directly using your Facebook login information for convenience. Once all set, start video chatting by tapping the Start Chatting button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will instantly get connected with a random person for a live video call. Then lastly, flip camera. During the video chat, there will be a small camera icon displayed somewhere on the screen. Tap on it to flip your camera from front facing to back facing. It's that easy. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.